Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the tutorial about the Next.js. So this is the very first tutorial in which we will see how to create a repository and how to run your very first Next.js project. So let's get started. I'll do one thing, I'll open a terminal over here. And after that I will run a command over here which says npx create next app and latest, and it will ask some series of questions which you have to answer. So let's just wait for a while until it's loading. Okay, so it has started. I'll type y and now it will ask me the project name. So I'll say hello world, and it will ask whether I want TypeScript. I'll say yes, and it is asking whether I want ESLint. I will say yes. Tailwind also I want. And would you like your code inside of the src? I want it inside of the src, so yes. And app routes also I'll be in need of, and turbo package I don't want. And would you like to customize the import alias? So I'll say no. So after this it will create my repository over here. So it has started installing the dev dependencies, and I will create a repository. As can be seen over here, there is a repository which says hello world. So it is already having some folders and files, as can be seen over here. So we will be working with this particular repository. So in this tutorial we will only see how to create a repository and how to give the output as a hello world. So in the next tutorials I will carry this series forward, in which I'll be explaining you the rest of the things which will be coming across while learning the Next.js. So stay tuned guys. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll go inside of this hello world and I will say npm run dev. So this should basically run our application, and it has started execution, and right now as can be seen our application is running on the local host 3000. I will not use, I will use Chrome instead. So I'll paste it over here. So it is compiling right now, and here is our application running on localhost 3000, and here we can see some of the default code. And now if you go to our repository, just click on the src and go to the page.tsx. So whatever output you see over here, this is all because of the code written in this page.tsx file. And now what I will do, I want to change I will change something over here. What should I change? And there are a lot of things. Read documents, deployment, save your changes instantly. So I'll say hello world. I'll save this, and now it can be seen it has changed the text to the hello world, and this is the first line which is over here. So if I just say hello there, and if I just save this, so this is the text which has changed. This is the main entry point, which is the src folder. Inside the src folder there is a app folder, and page.tsx is over here where I have made some changes. So this is how you can create your very first project in Next.js. So thanks for watching. This was all about how to create a repository in Next.js and hello world program. So keep watching guys, and I'll be creating more such series and tutorials on the Next.js. Thanks for watching.